Today we're making Mafrum, a Libyan dish which is basically made in every house in Tripoli. It's a mixture of ground beef and spices, sandwiched inside a potato and cooked in a tomato sauce. This dish was once served in a big pot for the whole family to eat together. Today people eat it on separate plates and have reinterpreted the traditional dish. It can be made in different ways, depending on the area you were brought up in Tripoli. If 10 different people make mafrum, you will have 10 different flavors. We are located in the middle of the main food market in the city of Netanya. My father opened this place 35 years ago. It started out as a small food stand in which we sold food that we prepared at home and brought with us in the car. Slowly it grew, and today my mother, father, and I work in the restaurant. Our main focus is keeping the food as fresh as possible. Being located in the middle of the market allows us to buy the freshest ingredients every day. The original mafrum is cooked in red tomato sauce. I was inspired by my great-grandmother's recipe and upgraded into a rich root vegetable sauce. It can also be served sauceless, with just a bit of lemon juice, or over couscous as a whole satisfying meal. Whichever way is preferred, this dish requires a lot of work and preparation. It's not necessarily the signature dish of the restaurant, but it's definitely my favorite.